Alright guys, so as well as the other stuff I'm doing, which is the other video, y'all link that above, the AOS and the Get a Dom Tune cylinder for cooling mod. I'm doing a 100k maintenance on my WRX. I'm at 90k now, but I'm going to do it early. It's smarter to do it. I'm doing the 90k service and the 100k service at the same time, so full fluid flush and tying belt, spark plug, you name it. I'm going to show you guys everything.
Yeah, we're going to do a walkthrough of all the parts that's going to be going on for the 100k Subaru maintenance. So let's get started.
Alright, so for the fluid flush, I went with the Gear 300 oil by Motul. This is the best stuff you get for your 5-speed or 6-speed. For me, I got the 5-speed, obviously. But yeah, this is the good stuff. This is the weight you want, 7590 for your Subaru. Yeah, you need 5 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah.
It's like Christmas morning at farts.
Holy, yeah, a lot of money too.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a Subaru time belt. This is all OEM stuff. It's from the factory. Yeah, that's the time belt. That's what it looks like. So, got that. I have a bunch of idlers and stuff like that. You see all this? This is what holds in the belt. A stack of idlers over here. Just all whole stack. And I believe this is the thermostat, this one. Let's see. Yep, this is the thermostat, OEM as well. It's all OEM products. I did not cheap out on this. This is expensive. This kit right here is, I think, 600 bucks. It's expensive.
We'll link that actually down below for the guys.
It's all from Amazon, actually.
Yeah, it all comes together, so for you guys who want this.
So I got my NGK one-step colder spark plugs, obviously 4 of them. Yeah, we'll throw those in there. This is my water pump in here. I haven't opened it yet, but that's the water pump. This is the water pump gasket, all OEM as well. This is the timing belt tensioner and all those idlers. Over here we have the what do you call these? These are the accessory belts. Yeah. So for the power steering. What else is it for?
It goes on the alternator.
Yeah, alternator. So it's pretty
those
important.
are the 2 little belts in the front.
Yeah, it's cheap. Got fastwrx.com, 40 bucks for both of these. Coil packs. OEM. This is from fastwrx.com as well. Got some hardware with it. It's all OEM, like it has the Subaru stickers on it, so which is cool.
I'll put this in the description too. We get all the links for you guys.
Oh yeah, so for the coolant, which is what the other stuff's running off of, here it is. This is the blue mixture. This is the super coolant. So if your car's from 08 to modern from that, it runs on the super coolant, which is the blue coolant that you'll see in the reservoir. But it's pre-mixed. I got 3 of them because I just wanted, I think you need 2, but 3 is just to be safe, and you never know if you need to add more or whatever. So I think it was 100 bucks for 3 of them. Not bad. But yeah, that's that. And the last thing I got is this Mishimoto from the manifold to the intercooler, the hose that goes in there. I heard they go bad, the ones that are the OEM ones. I think it's, I don't know what the material is, but this is silicone and I know it's gonna be better. So what could you go wrong with like a 20-second fix? Just these 2 little things that go around it, and then that's it. But yeah, these are my mods. So hopefully I get someone to do this soon, and then I'll get probably some footage of whoever does it.
Yeah, we'll try and make a little video.
Yeah.
It's the 100k maintenance for you guys, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little walk around or detail of what we got for the 100k, and yeah, that'll be happening hopefully soon. This is it, guys. I'll link it all in the description for you guys, so you know if you are getting 100K maintenance and want it. So I'll make it try and easy. I'll put it all linked up. But some of it's Amazon, some of it's other websites. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.